Imagine tossing a message in a bottle, not into the waves, but into the infinite blackness of space. Picture it, a delicate capsule, drifting through a sea of stars, carrying a fragment of humanity into the unknown. What would you say, knowing it might never be found, or that it could one day be discovered by something or someone beyond our wildest dreams? In 1977, we launched Voyager 2, a spacecraft equipped with a golden record, a time capsule packed with the sights and sounds of Earth. This record was our greeting to the universe, filled with music, images, and messages in dozens of languages, a hopeful handshake from humanity to the cosmos. Its mission? To explore the outer planets during a rare planetary alignment, a cosmic opportunity that comes just once every 176 years. This window let Voyager 2 slingshot from world to world, using their gravity to hurl itself farther than any spacecraft before it. Voyager 2 was engineered to survive the brutal conditions of deep space, radiation, freezing cold, and the endless void between worlds. No one knew how long it would last, or what secrets it might reveal as it ventured farther from Earth than anything we'd ever built. It was more than just a machine. It was a silent envoy, sharing the story of our solar system and our place in the universe. Voyager 2 carried our hopes, our curiosity, and our urge to reach beyond the horizon. Outfitted with cameras and scientific tools, it set out to uncover the unknown. Every photo, every reading, became a new page in the story of our cosmic neighborhood. For over 40 years, Voyager 2 sent back discoveries: volcanic moons, swirling storms, and shimmering rings of ice and dust. It revealed the restless moons of Jupiter, the elegance of Saturn's rings, and the mysteries of distant Uranus and Neptune. Its journey transformed our understanding of the planets and stretched the limits of exploration. Voyager 2 became a symbol of human creativity and our relentless drive to discover what lies beyond. But its most astonishing discovery came after its main mission was over. As it drifted past the last planet, Voyager 2 entered a realm no spacecraft had ever reached before. From the silent void between the stars, Voyager 2 sent back a message we never expected. Its faint signals, traveling billions of miles, brought news from the edge of the solar system, evidence of a boundary where our sun's influence fades and interstellar space begins. A message from a place we thought we understood, but which held surprises that challenged everything we believed about our cosmic neighborhood. It turned out, the edge of the solar system wasn't a simple border, but a complex, shifting frontier, one that Voyager 2 was the first to cross. And so, the story of Voyager 2 is still unfolding. As it sails deeper into the cosmic ocean, it carries with it the dreams and questions of an entire world, always searching for what lies beyond the next horizon. On August 20th, 1977, Voyager 2 soared into the sky from Florida, riding atop a mighty Titan rocket. This marked the start of its epic journey toward the farthest reaches of our solar system. Voyager 2's path was a masterclass in celestial navigation, using gravity assists from the giant planets to slingshot itself faster and farther. Thanks to this ingenious maneuver, Voyager 2 could visit Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, all without needing vast amounts of fuel. Its nuclear battery kept the spacecraft alive, even as sunlight faded into darkness. Meanwhile, its powerful antenna maintained a precious link with Earth across the void. On board, computers, simple by today's standards, ran the mission on their own, millions of kilometers from home. As Earth shrank to a tiny blue dot, Voyager 2 pressed onward into the cosmic unknown. The asteroid belt and the mysterious outer planets lay ahead, waiting to be explored. Back at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, scientists watched their screens, eager for the first glimpses from the edge of the solar system. The adventure was underway. The universe stood ready to unveil its mysteries. In 1979, Voyager 2 arrived at Jupiter, unveiling a planet of immense storms and endless swirling clouds. For the first time, we saw the true magnitude and raw energy of this gas giant, all thanks to Voyager's daring approach. The spacecraft delivered stunning images of the Great Red Spot, a storm so vast it could swallow Earth, and captured Io's explosive volcanic activity, proving that the outer planets were anything but calm or lifeless. Europa's fractured, frozen crust hinted at a hidden ocean beneath, igniting new hopes for life beyond our planet. The idea that water could exist so far from the sun was groundbreaking, fueling the imagination of scientists and dreamers everywhere. After Jupiter, Voyager 2 harnessed the planet's gravity to catapult itself towards Saturn. There, it explored Saturn's magnificent rings in detail never seen before, discovering new moons and intricate ring patterns that revealed the planet's astonishing complexity. The Odyssey pressed on. By 1986, Voyager 2 became the first probe to visit Uranus, exposing a tilted, mysterious world with faint rings and a striking blue-green hue. Its strange atmosphere and magnetic field left scientists with more questions than answers. In 1989, Voyager 2 reached Neptune, the most distant giant, where it discovered raging supersonic winds and icy geysers erupting from Triton, Neptune's moon. Even at the edge of the solar system, the surprises kept coming. Each flyby shattered old ideas, transforming distant dots of light into vibrant, dynamic worlds teeming with activity. The Grand Tour became a symbol of human curiosity and ingenuity, a mission that stretched the limits of exploration and inspired wonder across the globe. Voyager 2 had explored 4 giant planets, dozens of moons, and unveiled countless mysteries, forever transforming our understanding of the outer solar system and our place in the universe. Its journey was hailed as a spectacular triumph, celebrated by scientists and space fans alike as one of humanity's most remarkable achievements. Yet even after all these astonishing discoveries, Voyager 2's most epic adventure was still to come, as it set course for the unknown. The edge of our solar system beckoned, where Voyager 2 would become a silent messenger to the stars, carrying our curiosity into the vastness of interstellar space. With Neptune fading in its rear view, Voyager 2's tour of the planets was over, but its odyssey was far from finished. Its new destination? The heliopause, the invisible frontier where the sun's reach gives way to the vastness of interstellar space. For years, NASA's scientists waited and watched, searching for a dip in solar particles and a surge in cosmic rays from beyond our solar system. Then, in late 2018, more than 18 billion kilometers from home, Voyager 2 finally pierced the heliopause. It became only the second spacecraft ever to break into interstellar space. The probe began sending back priceless data, measuring the density, temperature, and magnetic fields of the mysterious interstellar medium. For the first time, we had direct samples from the space between the stars. Its signal, faint and taking over 16 hours to reach Earth, still made the journey home. But Voyager 2 was growing old. Its power reserves were dwindling. Every transmission became a treasure. Still, Voyager 2 pressed onward, a lone guardian adrift in the endless cosmic sea. Its mission had become a race against time. The finale was drawing near, but Voyager 2 still had one last message to deliver. By 2025, Voyager 2's energy reserves were almost depleted. One by one, NASA engineers powered down its systems, trying to make every last moment count. The Deep Space Network strained to catch even the faintest signal, a mere whisper from the endless dark. On June 18, 2025, the team assembled, bracing for what could be their final connection. Data slowly trickled in, just the usual readings from the interstellar medium. Suddenly, the stream cut out. Static washed over the monitors. Was it a malfunction? Or had Voyager 2 finally fallen silent? Then, minutes later, the signal returned. Only this time, it was different. The familiar data was gone, replaced by a strange, organized pattern. The room froze in disbelief. Voyager 2 was still transmitting, but in a language no one recognized. Something remarkable was unfolding. The signal that arrived was unlike anything Voyager 2 was ever meant to transmit. It was intricate, rhythmic, and unmistakably deliberate, almost as if an unseen intelligence was reaching out from the void, demanding to be noticed. NASA's brightest minds sprang into action, decoding the mysterious transmission. The more they unraveled, the clearer it became. This was no glitch, no random burst of cosmic static. It was a purposeful message, possibly from far beyond our solar system. The signal's structure was breathtaking, mathematical, precise, and undeniably intelligent. It was too ordered to be a coincidence, hinting at a consciousness, or at least a process, capable of sophisticated thought. After days of relentless investigation, the team uncovered a hidden layer within Voyager's routine data, a secret message, embedded and waiting to be discovered. The message described the interstellar medium in extraordinary detail, but what truly stunned the team was a hidden biological signature, evidence of something living, concealed in the emptiness between the stars. The data revealed a complex organic molecule, more intricate than anything previously detected in space. Its design suggested organization, perhaps even the foundation of life itself. Even more incredible, the signature was shifting, reacting to Voyager's presence, evolving in real time, as if it was aware and trying to communicate. The meaning was unmistakable. You are not alone. It was a greeting, a revelation, and a challenge, all woven into one. Voyager 2 had stumbled upon something alive in the vast interstellar darkness, something that shattered our ideas of where life could exist. It wasn't a planet or an alien civilization, but a form of life thriving in the cold, empty stretches between stars. A hidden presence, invisible until now. The signal wasn't a warning, it was a gentle correction, a nudge to expand our understanding, as if the universe itself was inviting us to see a bigger picture. Suddenly, the universe felt more alive, more mysterious, and more connected than we'd ever imagined. Our perspective had changed forever. Voyager 2 had delivered a message that would echo through history, a cosmic footnote that would redefine our search for life. We were no longer alone. The universe had spoken, and from that moment on, humanity would look up at the stars with new eyes. The scientific community was left in awe by the revelation. For years, we searched for life on distant worlds, never suspecting it might be hidden in the vast emptiness between them. This breakthrough upended everything we thought we knew. Life could be part of the very fabric of the universe. Our galaxy may be alive with forms of existence so unfamiliar, we've overlooked them until now. Voyager 2's final transmission reminded us, our knowledge is still just beginning to unfold. Though its signal has faded, its impact will echo for generations. Now, the probe journeys on, an eternal observer in the silent depths of space. Its last message is both a challenge and an invitation, to see the universe with fresh curiosity. The quest for life has expanded, no longer limited to planets alone. Our adventure is only just beginning.